just like this. All right, welcome back in the kitchen again with another recipe with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. It is beautiful. Now I'm going to make a beautiful detoxing juice for the immune system, which is a few ingredients you guys have at home lingering around. You guys don't know what to do with it, but I'm gonna be giving you a recipe which is going to be a life-changing recipe, and you can do this one at home. Big up yourself, and whatever you do, man, stay blessed. All right, thank you so much for watching, and whatever you do, man, just enjoy the recipe. I know we're going to go straight into it. Remember to get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose, A Blessing and Prosperity. Thank you so excellent. So we got pineapple, green apple, cucumber, lime, and ginger. Perfect for a detoxing. Drink it 5 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This will help you to clean out all of that food that you've been eating. This is a good drink for you at home. All right, so we're going to show you how to make it and what you can also do at home. So let's jump straight into this right here. This is our blender, and what we're going to do, we're going to put pineapple inside of it. All right, I'm going to be using all of this pineapple, so I'm using roughly about half of a pineapple right here. Excellent. Then once you put in the pineapple, we're going to get some lime, which is key lime. All right, simple. Cut it and put it into it. I'm using 2 medium-sized key lime. Cut them into half. Remove the seeds, if any seeds. Also, fresh ginger. We're going to put some fresh ginger inside of it. All right, lovely. Green apple is very important into this one. So what you want to do, cut your green apple. All right, and also we are going to use this bit inside of it, the belly of the apple, straight inside of it. Cut up your apple straight inside of it, just like this. All right, so as you can see, that looking. What we're going to do, that's the 1 medium-sized green apple. All right, we're going to put some water, roughly about a cup of water inside of it. All right, lovely. Let's put this over here, and we're going to blend it a little bit because so many ingredients can hold it into the blender. So we got the cucumber, which you're gonna also add to it. So we're gonna quickly give this a blend quickly. So what we're gonna do in the meantime, pre-order one of this from Chef Ricardo Cooking. So let's jump straight into it. That's the blending right here. So what we're going to do, we're going to get half of a cucumber, and we're going to put the cucumber into it now like this. Lovely. All right, so half a cucumber with the green apple, pineapple, ginger, lime, and also we had some water to it, and that's going to make the difference. So now what we're going to do, we're going to finish blend all of this on an amazing ingredients right here. So let's go for it. In the meantime, remember you can get yourself a copy of the book From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo, Secret Recipes to Success. All right, let's blend this again. Finish blending. So what you're going to do, pour it out. Just like this. All right, and that looks 100% amazing. All right, yes. So I know you guys can do this. So you want to do, get yourself a spoon. Now remember, you can blend it really fine down and you don't have to strain it, but If your blender blend it out fine as enough, then you're good to go. But I did not blend it right out because I know I'm going to strain it and get some of that liquid. So some of these will be going to this because the strainer, the hole of the strainer is a little bit big right here. So what you do? Lovely. So you can see what I'm doing. Amazing. And as I say, some of this went straight into it. All right. Yeah. Lovely. All right. Now let's remove some of that froth off the top. Yeah. So things looking good. Excellent. All right. Let's get the cup. This is what we're going to do right now. We're going to pour it off. All right. Here it is. Wow, that is amazing. Look at that. Drink this 2 to 3 times a week, and trust me, you will see the difference in your immune system with this and an amazing recipe. All right. Now, if it is something where you guys like, you know, me always I try to go to the best recipe, and 100% you can do this one at home. Perfect for a detoxing recipe at home. If you just come from a holiday, if you are going on a holiday, you can also detox up the body and detox it when you also come back. Now, if it is something where you like, please leave your comments. Tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Remember to get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. All right, a good vibes, people. So enjoy it.